Welcome to Pop Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today, a very special bunch of goodies. I met up with Keyless Entry. Keyless Entry lives in Adelaide, South Australia. We met up 2 years ago and swapped locks for each other to play with the thought that we would be getting back together soon and exchanging them for some more and doing that sort of thing. Well, you know what's happened over the last 2 years. Well, we finally got to meet up 2 weeks ago. Yes, it's taken me 2 weeks to get to this video. I've been so busy in the lock lab. So I want to show you some locks and I want to show you something very special that Keyless Entry did for me. Check this out. This is the very special. Have a look at that. Let's go out a little bit wider. This is a ZM78 pinning tray. Have a look at this. It's got the numbers. Look at the colours. It's 4 colours. It's got the places for the cylinders for your followers. But look. Whoa. They've got my logo on a pinning tray. I mean, how cool is that? That is just so awesome. I was totally blown away when I saw that. It's just the best ever. Like the printing, the fine detail. Look at the work, of that. The yellow highlight under, like, the 3D printing is just awesome in this. And thank you so much, Keyless Entry. This is just one of those prized possessions that you have. And this is all sparkly. Look at that. It's got all sparkles in it. It's just beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful pinning trays I've ever seen. And it's mine, and it's got my logo. Just so stoked. So I wanted to show you that. Now to the locks that Keyless Entry gave me. Wow. Blown away even more. Well, let's go that way and check these out. Let's start off with 334B 45. It's not just any 334B 45. It's got a blank. What's this K blank? This is a K blank for a V7. Look at that. It's a V7. Do you know how rare these are? With a K blank. So I can pin this up. Or not. I can just play with it like this. I can pin this up to a V7 that I can actually pick. So this is with 3 on one side, 4 on the other side of the core. That is just, so cool. Oh, check this out. This is a American. Look at this. This is so heavy. I've seen these on the telly so many times. SNF Series 700. Wow. With keys. There's the bitting. It's my first ever, half round, round, huge American lock. That is just beautiful. This Yale laminated. You don't see these that often. This looks like the Lockwood 119. 40mm, just cool as a fun lane, still in its box. And super cool, tiny, looks huge, but it's actually tiny master lock. I've got the big version of this that Dan Under Monkey gave me, but this is the tiny, very cute. Elaine laminated. So now I have a complete set of laminated locks. Master Lock, Lane, Yale and Lockwood. Very nice to have sets of things. This is beautiful. I love the Y1110 40s, but this is, oh, there they go, the Y1110 30. Let's go pick them up from the ground, even it just hit the deck, because they're so heavy, they're toppled over. Push them forward. Okay, grab my posse back. And look at this. This is a body of a 7240, beautiful green. So I've got two black ones, but now I can change one over to a green one. That's very cool to have that. This. Look at this. This is an Abloy. Classic. How cool is that? This is a beautiful little lock, brand new in the box. Just works a dream, because I'm getting into making the picks for the Abloy just to tame locks, so that's really cool to have another one to practice on. And in this box, this is a lockout, tag out lock from Lockwood. 6-pinner. You wouldn't think a 30mm would be a 6-pinner, but it is. How cool is that? And then this one, look at this. Oh, original box. Wow. Big bow, Lockwood. It's an RBF. So it's a restricted keyway. Oh, just smooth as that snap. Wow. You can barely feel that turning. That is just beautiful. I could do that all day. There's the bitting. Lots of high cuts at the top. This is just beautiful, beautiful as absolutely gorgeous. The box wants to fall again. You can fall now. Look at this American lock. All tucked in its bed as it's bidding. Oh, it's a beautiful bluey. This is a 1105. There's its numbers, OEMH. That's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Oh, that American tough spring, yeah, just absolutely gorgeous. And the final thing is this Lockwood, very old key. I have not got one with this cut out on the bow. Isn't that gorgeous? That's his profile. Wow. So thank you very much, Keyless Entry. All of this is just amazing. It is a massive amount of generosity and gifting you've given me. The range of Lockwoods, the American locks, the fun locks to play with. Wow, just blown away. Thank you very much to ZM78 for the wonderful, wonderful workmanship you've done on the 3D printing. It's just stunning. You know, you'll never see anything this fine, this good anywhere else. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Keyless Entry, you have made my new year. So I hope all you lock sporters out there are getting yourselves lots of goodies like this for the new year to play with, because it's a lot of fun getting lots of new stuff. Thanks for watching, everyone. Happy New Year. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.